What's up, y'all? It's Promise with a C. And of acting like my ideal self. I actually had work today, so we're gonna act like our ideal self for nighttime. So let's get it, guys. All right, so y'all, I ordered something that I seen on TikTok. It's called the Newmowa light or something. And y'all, it's here. So we gonna see, because we gotta go upstairs to do a lot of what we doing. So we about to unbox it. The Newmowa light, New Year light. I don't know what it's called. I'll drop the link because everybody been sharing this. And we're about to go pack and do what we gotta do, because you know, fashion designers, which I am, gonna be on the road. People's gonna want to book us. People's gonna want us there 24/7. So I can't always take no big old ring light with me. Sometimes I need small stuff. And this baby right here, it's small. Oh my gosh. It's small, baby. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Mobile phone LED light. It's called the Newmowa 60 LED high power light. So we're gonna see how it works, because my ring light stay right here for real. I don't even have my ring light on the tripod no more, because I have the tripod with my projector. This is what it looks like. Interesting. Oh, got the charger, got this. So okay, that for my phone. Where are the instructions? Oh, I was about to say. Okay, so this is it, y'all. I'm gonna turn it sideways. Okay, y'all, so okay, that's one. Let's turn it up. Oh, okay, that's something. It's giving something. I actually don't need it to be like directly on. Okay, that's given. Okay, next light. Okay. Yes, my wig is back there, and it keeps getting brighter, y'all. Next light. It's okay. Oh, it actually is really giving. It actually really is giving. I don't need to take my ring light everywhere with me. So we about to go upstairs and start getting our bags packed, y'all, because your girl has places to be, things to do. So y'all, I don't have the light on right now because I really don't care to have it on right now, but all this stuff is my new stuff. So I say I'm bringing new stuff on this trip. So we about to get this bag packed. I don't really need to pack much. All right, y'all, so good morning. It's the next day. I ended up not going out, so we just gonna, let me show y'all what I got packed in my bag for the trip. Show y'all my drip for today, because you know, It's like the other day I gave y'all a girly look. It's the morning time, so I'm chill with it. I got on the jacket, Forever 21. Let me bring a bra with me, because I ain't packing no bra with me. I need some underwear for sure. Okay. Yeah. Here's the outfit I made. But slight drip. You know, you gotta be able to give it to them raw. So this is what I have, y'all. I have my swimming suit, and I'm gonna wear these shorts I was given as my whatever cover. So I was like being shown that much. I got my night clothes right here. I need a shirt, honestly. So I'm gonna just bring a white beater. And then I have this, which is like something to get dirty in, because they said we need something to get dirty in. So I got these new pants I got, or I can take this approach. I got my sandals, because I ain't about to just be walking around in fresh shoes. I haven't worn my Converse in a while, so I actually do. I haven't never worn these. I think I wore them once. I want to wear these. I was gonna go yellow, but these will work too. And then for my main outfit, I have no idea, guys. For my main outfit, I'm going to go with. I was gonna go with this, but I'm like, I was gonna make it work with the colors, but I only have no shoes that just scream, I love it. But a little small shirt too that I need to bring. For my main course meal, I think I'm going to go with. I was just gonna go with this dress and possibly put this with it, but I still have yet to wear this coat. If y'all know how to dish it up, let me know, because I don't know. Or maybe this dress. Maybe this dress. Okay. We got a main meal. And I got all that. We're gonna go with this dress, these heels. These are the heels. And we're just gonna pop a wig, or we might just wear our natural hair. Honestly, I really don't care. I'll just grab a wig just in case. So I'm gonna get all this packed into a bag. I got my bra on. I got this stuff, y'all. Okay. There we go. Got my shoes. I haven't worn this. I said I'm bringing new stuff on this trip. Okay. Now we need a bag, and we're gonna get up out of here. I'll see y'all when we get to the city to kick it. know who raised these people, but just imagine something you paid a lot for. And then you walk in and the first thing you see is cotton. I didn't want to be reminded about what my ancestors went through first thing. But let's get back to the tour. So that's where I'm sleeping. All right, y'all, so we here. This is the beautiful cabin. Shit, I'll hear something. Oh, we got the grill. Got the hot tub. I'm in that tonight.